So I'll start the workout by pressing the handle.
Get ready. Next up, double unders.
It says next up double unders. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Double unders. Next up, rest. Rest. Then double unders.
It may just feel like it's 10 seconds, but when we are doing double unders, it feels like eternity. First set done, 30 second rest. Catch your breath. In case you don't have cross rope, no problem, you can use the rope you have. 10 seconds of double unders, 30 seconds
Next up,
of rest, and
double
repeat.
unders.
Next set ready. 4, 3, 2,
Double unders. Next up, rest. Rest. Then double unders.
okay. Set 2 done. 30 seconds rest. I can see the heart rate on the screen. It's at 93, not bad. I'm sure there's a lag. Getting ready for the third set.
Next up, double unders.
3,
Double unders. Next up, rest. Rest. Then double unders.